Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to talk about 6 ways that you can completely rebrand and reinvent yourself in the year 2025. Your slum era is about to end and you are going to enter your most productive and the best self era in 2025 with the ways that I talk about in this video. The first way that I want to talk about is keeping your body on track. Health is the most important asset that we possess. If our mind and body is healthy, we can achieve anything that we set our mind to. And how to know how our body and mind is healthy is by actually tracking that on a daily basis. And to track that, you can invest in any of the gadgets that are available in the market. How I like to track is with the help of the Gabbit Smart Ring that I am currently wearing on my finger. Do not underestimate this little gadget that I am wearing on my finger because it can track a lot of things and give me the data that I need to understand how my body is working on my phone. The best thing about this ring I absolutely love is it doesn't have any screen, so I will not get distracted, and this gadget will track the data and give me an insight on my phone. And I also do not have to worry about charging this particular gadget because I can charge it once and wear it for 7 days. And do not forget how aesthetic it looks like. You almost didn't guess it right that this was a smart ring that I'm wearing on my finger. So when I ordered my Gabbit Smart Ring, they sent me a ring size kit with the help of which I understood which ring size would fit me, and I'm in size number 11. And once I actually entered my ring size on the app, they delivered this ring and I've been wearing it for the past 10 days and I've only charged it once.
Ring comes in a very sleek box that I'm opening in front of you. As I open the box, the ring is placed, and when I saw the ring for the first time, I couldn't believe how lightweight and sturdy it was at the same time. It came with a ring case which can be used to store the ring and also charge the ring at the same time. With the help of the USB provided at the back of the ring case, it could be charged with the help of the charging cable.
And do not even have to worry about wearing it all the time because this actually acts as a very cool accessory on my hand, and it has no screen, so I'm not distracted, which is the best thing that I like about my Gabbit Smart Ring. So the Gabbit Smart Ring is actually available in 3 variants: gold, silver and black. And because you know how much I love gold accents, I got myself the gold variant and I'm absolutely in love with it because how cool this is looking. Now let me quickly talk about what all things this ring tracks. So here you can see my phone screen. So once you enter the app, on the home section, you will see a ring icon on your top right that you need to press, and you can see that my battery is 71% and I've been wearing it since the last 3 days. I charged it the day before yesterday, and it firstly talks about my sleep score. And when we go in detail, so it actually talks about how my sleep was the last night, and as you can see my sleep score is 83, my start time is 11:32 and total duration is 5 hours 33 minutes, and my sleep stage is also when was I awake, when was my sleep dark or light. And as you can see, my deep sleep was for 1 hour 37 minutes and my light sleep was around 2 hours 35 minutes. I actually slept a little less and I woke up early, like I woke up around 5:30 during this particular day, and which is why it is saying that shorter than ideal but continuous. Our body repairs during we sleep, so sleep is super important. So number 1 way is to actually track how we are sleeping. And next one is my active score. My active score is very less. The steps that I walked was 2500. I know that is very less because usually I work from home, so majorly a lot of my time goes on in filming videos and sitting on the desk, coordinating with my team members, sending my files, editing my files, and then maybe uploading and scheduling. So that I need to work on. So yeah, next is that. And then it also tracks the active calories. So that's actually a good thing. Next, it also tracks your period, and it tells you about when your period is supposed to due and what duration that you are going through. And that's about that. And then it also tracks the stress. So for me, the stress is moderate. So I was calm, 0%. I was moderately stressed 71% of the time, and I was actually stressed 29%. The severe was not there, but this is because I've been working around various projects, so that defines my stress level. Next are the basic vitals, which is resting heartbeat. So this was around 24th October. This was the resting heartbeat. The heart rate was 96 BPM. SpO2 is my oxygen level. So this was actually good, 98%. You can also check now. So for example, if you're checking right now, it is checking through my ring right now, 99%, which is actually good. So good enough. Skin temperature was good average during that particular time. Next is your VO2 max, which is not available right now because I have not been exercising. So this actually tracks your O2 level when you are actually exercising. So that will be available when I'm exercising and I'm wearing my particular ring. And next, you can also track your calorie. It can talk about if you're losing weight. So this is actually a very good feature because it talks about your calorie deficit, calories out versus calories intake. To intake your calorie, you need to actually log food. So for example, if you are maybe eating something, so that you can quickly enter what you are eating and how much grammage of food that you have had. So that can also measure your calorie deficit as well. So I have been using this Gabit Smart ring for the past 10 days and I've been loving the experience. And if you want to also check out the Gabit Smart ring and get it for yourself, the link will be in description box below. So yeah, let's move on to the way number 2, that is working out. To work out, first you need to understand what kind of activity do you actually like. Like I have tried many activities, like I've tried Zumba, I've tried gymming, I've tried yoga, I've tried walking, and I realize that yoga and walking are the two activities that I absolutely enjoy, and it also goes in sync with my entire personality. Now let me explain this a little further. I'm that kind of person who is little hyperactive. So I like those activities that calms me down. So yoga is something that calms me down and also burns a lot of calories at the same time. And walking in nature is also something that I absolutely love. So I put on some good music and go for a walk in the evening or in the morning, and that is something that I absolutely enjoy. I did try my hands on gymming and Zumba as well, but those were the activities that hypes you up a lot, and already the hyperactive person that I am, it makes me a little anxious. So depending upon your nature, pick an activity that suits the best. Try having a routine for your physical activities. Schedule time in the morning or in the evening for the physical activity. If not, you can also do some kind of physical activity at home with the help of the Gabit app. I absolutely love the ecosystem Gabit provides. You can actually work out anywhere, anytime with the best trainers, depending on your fitness goal. So for example, if your fitness goal is to lose weight, you can get started with your goal with that. And also monthly basis, and you can also subscribe to their fitness and nutrition monthly plans that will help you achieve your fitness goal. So for me, that would be weight loss because I have gained a little bit weight in the last year. Or if you want to stay fit, you can subscribe to their Stay Fit fitness and nutrition monthly plans. They also have pro plans of Stay Fit for 3 months on a monthly basis that you can definitely check out. You can get these kind of videos and plans that you can use to achieve your fitness goal. The way number 3 is to eating healthy. In 2022, I subscribed to a nutritionist for 3 months, and she actually taught me how to eat healthy by making some minor changes in her diet. She divided my lunch into 4 portions. Number 1 was protein, which was followed by green salad. The third portion was vegetables, and the last one was grains. She actually taught me that grain is super complex food to digest. So to digest that, we need a lot of green vegetables to help the process faster, and also eat fuller as opposed to eat a lot. So she taught me how I can be full and consume less calorie at the same time. And this was only possible when I increased my salad intake. And that way has completely revolutionized how I eat. Till today, I first start my meal with some kind of protein. Majorly, I stick to paneer because it is quick and easy to make. Next is having a salad. So I quickly chop up the vegetables that I have in my fridge. I always have some vegetables that I can quickly use to make myself a good salad. Then I start with eating one roti and sabzi, and I end my meal with a probiotic, that is lassi. So this balanced diet actually helps me be fuller and not consume a lot of calories at the same time. Similar that you can do is by subscribing to the nutrition plan on Gabbit. Like I mentioned, they have an entire ecosystem of being healthy. So this goes the same way if they have plans, fitness and nutrition for weight loss or stay fit, healthy skin. So these are the plans that you can subscribe to at a very minimal rate that you can see over here and work towards being your best self. You are equal to the 5 people that you hang out with a lot. So if you're hanging out with those kind of people who constantly gossip, discuss people instead of ideas, party, eat unhealthy and junk food, then you're going to end up completely like that. If you want to transform yourself, reach out and be in a community of those people whom you aspire to be. Be in those groups who have already achieved what you want to achieve. The health aspect, the money aspect, the EQ aspect, all of it. You cannot be with those people who are constantly nagging and gossiping and have good mental health. So reach out and join communities where people have already achieved what you want to achieve, who discusses books, ideas, generating income, who constantly hype you up and don't get you down and do not laugh at your over ambitious goals that you have set for yourself. So to start with, you can start consuming content online on YouTube of similar you want to be with. So earlier it was said that you are equal to 5 people who you are with, but now in the age of internet, you're also equal to those 5 people whom you watch the content. So watch more self-development content related to business, money, fitness, health, mindfulness that will help you achieve your goals and be the best version of yourself. Step number 5 is to look your best self. How you dress and how you look has a huge impact on your mind and the people around you. So if you are in your PJs and in your sweats, you will feel underconfident. Whereas as opposed to if you are dressed up, your hair is in place, your makeup is done, you're well groomed, you'll constantly feel better and motivated, and also having a nice posture. If you slouch a lot, you will feel slouchy. And if you're upright, you'll feel confident. Do a little bit of research of what your body type is like. And depending on that, invest in a capsule wardrobe, having basic pieces that can be turned into many outfits. I like to have all the basics in my wardrobe that I can mix and match. Somewhere I can quickly just put together an outfit and look my best self. Get your nails done, hair on point, invest into some skincare products and identify what works best for you. The number 6 is to level up. That is to invest in yourself. That is by learning new skills, investing your money, buying assets as opposed to liabilities, and investing into things that are quiet luxury and not speaks volumes about which brand that is. Invest in courses. With the help of those courses, you'll be able to meet new people, join the community, and vibe with similar kind of people who talk about ideas and becoming their best self. So if you follow all of these 6 steps, you will be meeting a new person in 2025, and you will thank me later for creating this video and thank yourself for watching this video till the very end. So yeah, that was it for this video, guys. I'm truly rooting for you to be your best self. And let me know in the comment which is the way that you vibed the most with. And do not forget to check out the Gabbit Smart Ring in the description box below. So yeah, that was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end, and I will see you in another video. Till then,